15 pesos.
Yes, sir.
May I request that this document be marked as exhibit Septopol-E, Your Honor. I respectfully manifest that exhibit Septopol-E mentions the same account holder or depositor, Your Honor, or client, Renato C. Corona. Please produce, ma'am, the bank statement for the ending balance December 31, 2008. Witness, as requested, has handed to counsel a one-page similar document with the letterhead Bank of Philippine Islands. And I would request the witness to read into the record the period covered, outstanding balance for ending period.
Ending period December 31, 2008.
And ma'am, please read the figure below the account number.
Outstanding balance as of the given period is 1,525,872.87.
Thank you, ma'am. I manifest, Your Honor, that it refers to the same account holder, Renato Corona C. May I request, Your Honor, that this document be marked as Exhibit Septopol F, Your Honor.
Mr. President, may I be recognized?
The gentleman from San Juan.
Thank you. Mrs. Witness, are these all checking accounts?
It only pertains, Your Honor, to one account, which is a checking account.
Yeah. Wala siyang savings account dyan sa bangko ninyo?
What I know, I was only required, sir, Your Honor, to produce this particular account po.
Okay. Do you have any knowledge if the Chief Justice has any savings account?
Your Honor, if I I only concentrated on the account numbers stated in the subpoena.
Okay. Thank you.
Proceed, Counsel.
So, President,
The gentleman from Taguig.
yes, just one question to follow up the question of Senator Estrada.
You have 2 minutes.
Just one question, Mr. President.
Proceed.
Pero yung current account na yan, because you're only allowed to testify on that account, right? That checking account.
Yes, sir.
Is that linked to another account? Kasi di ba pag check usually, popondohan mo yon eh. So dahil mas maliit yung interest usually ng checking account, usually may iba ka pang account na yun ang mas malaki interest, tapos ililipat mo yung pera doon. So yung bang account na yan nakalink sa isa pang account?
Not necessarily, Your Honor. Sa BPI po, hindi lahat ng checking accounts
not necessarily,
are linked
but
with
this specific account, is it linked to another account?
As mentioned po, I did not look into the other accounts,
So it's
not
possible.
subject of ano po.
You didn't look into it?
Yes.
So you do not know?
I do not know.
But it's possible. Of course, anything is possible. What I meant is that makikita mo sa documents ng account na to, ha? Kung may nakalink na account dyan.
Wala pong naka-indicate.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you.
Counsel, proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Madam Witness, where is the bank statement showing the outstanding balance for the ending period December 31, 2009?
Tapos ng 2008, ano?
Yes, Your Honor. 2009 na po.
2009, okay.
As requested,
Tapusin na natin 2009 hanggang 2010. No?
yes, Your Honor, as requested, witness has handed to counsel a similar one-page document which I would like the witness to identify and read into the record the ending period, Your Honor.
As of December 31, 2009, the outstanding balance of 1445803061 is 678,501.83.
It refers to the same account holder. May I request, Your Honor, that this document be marked Exhibit Septopol G, as in golf.
Mark it accordingly.
Madam Witness, last but not least, where is the bank statement showing the...
What is the bank, last but not least, is there an additional na...
In the subpoena, Your Honor, it is up to year 2010, Your Honor.
Okay, so it's the last one.
Yes, Your Honor, as per subpoena. Madam Witness, where is the bank statement for the year ending December 31, 2010, ma'am? Witness has handed to counsel a similar one-page document, which I would like the witness to read into the record, period, and the period only, Your Honor.
Just to state the period and the bank balance. It's the same account. I don't think the defense will dispute that.
As of December 31, 2010, outstanding balance of the subject account is 12,024,067.70.
All right.
There is a name below the details stated at the top. Reading, Renato Corona C. 95 Xavierville Avenue, Loyola Heights, Quezon City. What is this name? What does it represent?
Renato Corona C. is the account holder of 1445803061.
I notice, ma'am, and I am doing this for the clarification of the Honorable Court. I notice, ma'am, that aside from the account number, which is indicated consistently in the first line, reading number 1445-8030-61, in the portion relating to the identification of the account holder, right on top of his name are the numbers 10 space 144R, capital R, hyphen 0109 hyphen 803061, which I also noticed in the other documents. What is this number, ma'am?
That refers to the reference number of the bank statement, sir.
Kindly, may I, Your Honor, request that this last certification for ending balance December 31, 2010, certifying an outstanding amount of 12,024,067.70 be marked as Exhibit Septopol H, as in hotel, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Ma'am, is this account number 1445-8030-61 is still an active account as we speak?
Yes, sir.
That would be all for the witness, Your Honor. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Any cross on the part of the defense?
May we be permitted, Your Honor, to conduct our cross?
Well, proceed.
Thank you. A while ago, good afternoon, Madam Witness.
Good afternoon, sir.
A while ago, I heard you stated that this document, rather, a while ago, I withdraw the question. A while ago, I heard Attorney Lim stated that this is the first time he saw these statements. Do you confirm that?
Yes, I confirm, sir.
And the first time is today only.
Yes, sir.
Prior to this date, he never had the opportunity to have seen these documents, banking documents.
Sir, Mr. Lim?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How about any of the lawyers for the prosecution, whether private or public?
None of them, sir, have seen these documents.
All right. Now, this complaint, the complaint here was filed way back in December 13, 2011. I would like to understand that they never did have any information regarding these accounts prior to that date.
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. Now, this statement, this account of Mr. Justice Corona, as you have testified, is a checking account or a current account.
Yes, sir.
And the deposits made in here, together with the withdrawals, are certainly borne out by the statement of account for every month.
Yes, sir.
Do you have those statements of account with you?
As mentioned a while ago, I only have with me what was required in the subpoena.
I'm not asking you whether you have them with you, but whether your bank keep records of this statement of accounts.
Yes, sir.
All right. So for the year 2010, there is a statement of account,
2010? Yes, sir.
and this statement of account is monthly or annually?
Monthly, sir.
Monthly. The same holds true with the December 2009 statement.
Yes, sir.
There were several statements, and so on with the other period covered by your testimony.
Yes, sir.
In other words, am I correct to state that for every year there are 12 statement of accounts,
Yes, sir.
and the deposits together with the withdrawals are recorded therein?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now this 12,024,067 peso deposit in the balance in this account, was this pursuant to several deposits and withdrawals, or only one deposit, one withdrawal for that year?
I do not recall, Your Honor, sir, because I concentrated really on what was required in the subpoena.
But as you stated, the statement of account pertaining to these years exists in your office.
As of the time I prepared these documents, it still exists
All right.
in your.
Am I right to presume, or am I correct to presume that this 12,024,067 peso account or balance of the account must have been covered by several deposits and several withdrawals?
I may not confirm right now, sir, because I haven't prepared the statement for the 2010.
But
it could be possible.
That is a kind of procedure pertaining to these current accounts that you have in your office, in your bank.
Sorry, can you please repeat, sir?
But that is a standing practice in your bank. There are withdrawals, there are deposits.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So this is not one single transaction. 12,024,067.
Since this is an ending balance po,
Yes.
it could come from the beginning, ending balance of the previous months,
Yes.
and then the transaction
Duly
for
re-
deposits and withdrawals. This is the net
So that-
amount po.
All right. So that you will, thank you. So that you will agree with me that this must have covered several transactions involved in that year.
It could be, sir.
All right. There were several deposits in various amounts. Right?
It could be, sir.
There are several withdrawals covering various amounts.
It could be, sir.
All right. And your observation and your statement applies to all this account, particularly for the year 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, and 209.
It could be, sir.
Now, if ordered by the court to produce the statement of accounts, will you be able